Hello and welcome back to channel Innovation Hub. If you are my regular viewer, you already know that I am regularly update a video on the topic of how to get traffic for your website, get free hosting and domain for your website, and many other topic related to website AdSense and SEO topic. After watching this video till the end, you will get dashboard like this for your website. You will get 1 GB disk space. Then other services too. You can easily install Software app or press on your website. So watch this video till the end without skipping any of steps, so you can get easily the whole features from this award space. I am going to teach you how you can get free subdomain with free hosting. You can use this hosting for your new and existing websites. To get free hosting with subdomain, just follow this video. Now move to your web browser. Then search award space, and URL for this website is in the description of this video. You can easily find this URL. Now search award space. Choose this first link, awardspace.com, free web hosting with PHP, MySQL and email and many others. Just click on this award space where ideas turn into websites. You can get easily free web hosting plus free subdomain, PHP, MySQL, app installer, email sending, and there is no ad will run in your website. If you have already an account on this website, you can go directly through this login, and if you didn't create an account in this website, just go to this get start, or also you can go through this free sign up. Click on any one of this. Now you can directly join through Facebook, Google, or you can also choose manual option. I will write your name here. Now enter your email address, then create a strong password. You need this password every time you back to log in on this website, so create a strong password and store it somewhere where you can find easily when you need. After clicking register, now you will agree to our space terms and condition and also the privacy of this website. To read privacy and terms and condition of this website, open this link. You can find out term and service. If you want to read, you can easily read from here. Now click on this register now. After submitting required detail on this website, you will get a mail from our space to verify your email address. After successfully verified your email address, you will enter to this dashboard. If you didn't find email from our space directly on your inbox, you can check this spam folder. Sometimes your emails are held in spam folder. After getting your email from our space, verify your email address, then go back and log in on this website with the same username and password that we had created before a few moments. Now I'm successfully entered to my dashboard. Now click on this hosting tools. You will find domain manager. Click on this. Then you will get some option here: transfer a domain, host a domain, then create a free subdomain. You can create a free subdomain which is ending with .com, .net, .org and others popular extension. And if you want to host your domain, click on host a domain, then input your existing domain name. Now I will choose create a free subdomain, Innovation Hub. You can choose extension from here. I will choose this one, myartsonline.com. Then click on this create. The subdomain innovationhub.myartsonline.com has been added successfully. Before I already created this tilover.myartsonline.com. Now I will now check our website. Click on this open website. Okay, our website is ready to install the WordPress. Now go back to dashboard of this award space. Now again go to hosting tools, and you will find this Jackie app installer. Click on this. Now click on this browse and install apps. You can go through other apps also, but I will choose this WordPress version 6.0.2. Click on this proceed to step 2. In step 2, choose a title for your website. Then create a admin username and create a password for your admin username. You need this password to log in back end of your website. So create a strong password. Then confirm your email address and click on this install application. Wait while it creating database, copying file and sending email. It will take some minutes to complete the whole process. So let's wait for completing installation of WordPress on our database. Installation is complete successfully. You will get two URL after the completed of installation of WordPress on our database. The first one is the URL to visit our website, and second one is the URL to log into the backend of the application or called WordPress. Now access our backend. Click on this URL. Log in with same username and password that we had created for WordPress. Then click on this login. You can see here latest version of WordPress 6.0.3 is already installed on our dashboard. Now move to appearance and you can easily install the theme and start to post articles or blog on your website. You can choose according to your choice. You can add header, change theme layout, add site identity, change column and many other things from this customization dashboard. If you have any problem, you can leave a comment on this comment section of this video. Also, if you want to know about the customization of WordPress theme, just leave a comment. I will make a next video related to customization of WordPress. I hope you understand all the procedure to get free web hosting with free subdomain. If you have any problem, I had already told you that you can leave a comment on the comment section of this video. If you love this video, give a big thumbs up and also don't forget to subscribe this channel Innovation Hub and also press the bell icon to get latest uploads from this channel. This much for today. Bye bye. Have a good day. If you love this video, just give a big thumbs up and also don't forget to press the bell icon and get the latest update from Innovation Hub. This much for today. I will see you in my next video. Bye bye. Have a good day.